Hey there, you didn't become a notary just to wait around for the phone, right? Let's talk about how to make those calls and income come to you. But it's really about building momentum, showing up like a business and creating your own lane, not somebody else's. It doesn't matter whether you're part-time, full-time, but what matters is that you're out testing the waters. Your notary stamp can open up real income. Field inspections to permit running to loan signings. There's money on the table. You just gotta reach for it. And I can honestly tell you, I did not know all these income streams when I became a notary. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start building, stick around. This is where it's gonna get good. When I first started, I had no idea the income revenues, what all you could do with your notary license, and just the ways you can make money. But once I learned to think beyond loan signings, everything changed. Before we get started, and before we dive in, I want to know what's one thing you wish you knew before you became a notary. Drop it in the comments because you might be able to help someone else out. All right, let's dive in. Because being a notary doesn't mean you have to sit around waiting for the next signature to walk in. When things slow down, that's your time to pivot and expand. The first one we have is field inspections. These are quick jobs, 3 minutes to an hour. Now, most of them do not take an hour, but there are a few companies out there that may take, an hour. But you take photos, you verify the address, you're verifying the information that's on the paperwork. You submit a short survey or a short report, depending which company that you work for. It's simple, flexible, and a great way to earn some extra money. And cash in between signings or general notary work to supplement, great idea. A lot of notaries don't realize that how many inspection companies are looking for reliable people. They want somebody, being a notary, you deal with people all day. So to do field inspections, when you're dealing with a customer or a client, as you probably should put it client, you know how to handle yourself respectfully because you're running a business just like the inspection company is running a business. Next up, we have permit running. Not something that is talked about a lot, but it's definitely underrated. You basically help contractors, builders, homeowners pull permits from the city offices. Now, for this one, you would have to get familiar with whether it be the courthouse or another area that you have to go to pull the permits. Get familiar with which office gets what permits and how to pull them before applying. You're already detailed oriented. As a notary or a loan signing agent, you have to know details, your schedule. So you already have one thing up. And they will love it. That's big. It's professional, easy to learn, pays surprisingly well for your time. Hey, who doesn't love to get paid for their time? Now this next one is something I am learning. So I will say what I have learned and give you an idea about it and see if you're interested. But pastille work, or pastille, everybody pronounces it a little different. This takes the notary skills to a whole new level. You help clients who need international documents authenticated or authentication. And once you learn the process of your state, you can charge premium rates. It's a game changer for notaries to level up. It's something to look into, maybe even take advantage of, as apostille work seems to be picking up momentum. Sorry. And the next one I have for you tonight is estate planning and wills. You can partner with your local attorneys. You can also estate planners. You can do a Google search to see how many estate planning attorneys are in your area. They often need trustworthy notaries and ongoing work. And once they like you, that kind of goes for every field. They turn into repeat business for you all year round. Weather doesn't stop estate planning and wills from being done. So just something for you to look into for another source of income. All right, our last one, number 5. When things slow down, don't hide. Promote yourself. Get your marketing done. Update your Google business page. Post short videos or tips on social media. Partner with real estate offices. Sometimes one good post or partnership can bring a wave of new clients. And that's what all us notaries want. You know, repeat business. So don't slow or get discouraged. Use it as your time to diversify your notary license, your income, your schedule. The notary world is bigger than just signings. You just have to step into those lanes. Notary success is not just loan signings. There is so many more opportunities out there just waiting for you to find them. I just want to say that us as notaries, that we can diversify. We can reach for that income. It may take a little research, maybe a little marketing campaign, but most everything that we can do for marketing ourselves, a lot of it can be done free. If you're a new notary and money may be tight, whatever the situation, there is a way to market yourself for free. You know, the Google business page, your Facebook page, Instagram, even X/ or if you want to call it Twitter. There is YouTube. There is Rumble. If you want to advertise yourself, it's a video platform. There are ways. Start a blog. You can use WordPress for free to get your blog started or your website. And once business starts coming in, then you can transfer your WordPress.com portion of your blog or your website over into yourname.com. Just an idea if you're just getting started and money may be tight, or you want to try it out, you want to get your feet wet, you want to see if this is something you want to do. So it's just some ideas so you can advertise yourself for free, bring in some business. But remember that you have to spread your wings. So not just loan signings, not just general notary work. There is ample opportunity for notaries to do way more than just general notary work.